If your goal is to have nutrition as one of your core offerings at your place of business, then it is essential to have your entire staff on board with your nutrition program. Ensuring that your entire staff is on board with a unified message about what your nutrition program is about is key in having your program achieve success and also having healthier and happier members. Prior to announcing to the entire membership that you are offering nutrition, we advise that you educate your staff first. Here are 5 ways to incorporate your staff in your nutrition launch. Number 1, make sure that you're attending all monthly staff meetings and incorporating some information in regards to your nutrition program. This is a great opportunity to share upcoming events such as a challenge or even to cover role-playing exercise where they feel comfortable answering questions about your nutrition services. Number 2, you should be adding all staff to the HSN app and assigning them the coach's developmental course. This is a great 2-week program which gives them a snapshot as to what you are doing with your clients and also provides vital action steps such as having them book in for their own free intro. And who knows, maybe you'll get a client out of it. Number 3, although it's implied with the app course, make sure that they do book in for that free intro. If they're not interested to be a client themselves, it at the very least better prepares them for answering questions about what your program is about and how it can benefit your members. Number 4, it's important to have your staff members feel that they are a part of your program and not separated. So for example, having them take part in exercises such as asking questions of the day is a great way for them to start sharing that conversation about nutrition and sharing that with the members as well. Number 5, and probably the most important, is to lead a small staff challenge. This way, your staff is able to experience your program firsthand. They will see benefits and you will see benefits as well as you're able to use those success stories at the end of the process. Or if you have an in-house challenge coming up, you can add your staff members to that challenge and assign them a leadership role. The best programs are those that are supported by the entire staff. It's a no-brainer. A nutrition coach cannot grow their program alone. Having the owner and the entire staff backing your nutrition program gives your program extra credibility, which speaks volumes to your members. For more information on how to get your staff on board and more support and strategies, head over to growyournutritionbusiness.com website and book your call today.